Alright, figured picking up where I left off yesterday and probably going to finish it till current day, which will be around here. Let's see what has happened. So we closed through this level, which tells us we're going here. Let's see what has happened here. So we closed through. There we put in the LGCR. Then this was the second level. This tells us we're going here to this level. So in here, I'll be looking to short it down. Okay, so we don't get an entry. The level has been filled. Now, since this is the third level, I am going to wait and see what will happen, because let's have a look. We are below the EQ of the previous swing. So in all honesty, either we close through, yeah, as of now, I just keep shorting, to be honest. Okay, filled the level again, or at least tested, but didn't close through. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Spike up. Okay. Big liquidity grab, close through. Let's zoom out. Okay, it's a very sensitive level. So, like, technically, I don't like candles like this because, yeah, technically I'm shorting to here. So I'm looking for a short at a level of interest. This time it's the EQ. Okay, missed one entry here. Did I miss an entry here? No, I didn't. Didn't sweep anything, but it is. That looks beautiful though. And why? There it is. Okay. Okay, so now again we're at this level. If we close through, we're going here, and otherwise we're just going to reverse. So for now, I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Close through. Let's mark this level. I'm being too quick, I notice. I'm a bit in a rush, but I shouldn't be. And again, that's my biggest downfall. Take your time, candlestick hours live. Give each candle as much consideration and attention as you would live. Fuck. So annoying. Okay, let's breathe. Okay, closed above the EQ, so I'm expecting to go to the high, which we did. Let's look on the 30-minute. That's a beautiful spike. Testing the high again. Okay, what I notice here is I am anticipating a reversal. So I'm just going to journal now live what I noticed happening in myself. So I'm anticipating a reversal, which makes me not look for shorts, even though the rules tell me I should be looking for shorts. Okay, so that's stupid, but I'm still doing it. Because I've been saying we close here, we go here, which we continue to do. So let's see what entry we missed on the 30. This is a perfect example. Beautiful spike that sweeps the high, forms the swing, and then closes with an EQ. Now you take it to here. To the 2 actually, because that's the nearest level. That's one trade I missed. I'm not going to take it because I didn't take it, and testing is to be as honest as you can be with yourself. So let's see, where are we currently at? We filled this level, we haven't closed through. So for now, I'm not looking for a trade. Only when we close through, I'll be looking to take a trade here. However, this has almost been filled as well. So we form a swing. I'll just see to the upside that closes back above this level. Okay. I want to see continuation. And there is continuation. So that means do we close through here? Yeah. So that means we're at least going to here. And now I'm back to longing. Okay. We went there, we closed through the level. So that becomes our new playing field. And then the next level will be here. This has been tested, so technically it's there, but I'm going to keep it on here just... No, wait, I'm going to do it like this. Because, yes, this is a level, but it has been tested, so it's not as strong. So I'll keep it on like this so I know where it is. Let's quickly have a look at this whole swing. This makes sense. Close through here, the swing started over here. Came back down, respawned at the EQ, closed through, filled this level, and now we've reversed the flows to the upside. And now we are on our way towards here, that this candle confirmed that we are going here. And so that's what we're going to look for. Okay, I want to see continuation. Now, I'm just going to think out loud here, because the reason we backtest, technically this is a trade. It spikes-ish down, it sweeps this, forms a swing, and then puts in a continuation. So I'm gonna take it, but more textbook, I would say. I would like to see it go lower to the EQ, and I need a bigger spike to go down. I don't need that. I would like to see that. But let's just take the trade here and see what happens. That's what I said. That's what I'm looking for. Exactly what I said. Spike down. That sweeps the EQ. And sweeping this level, forming a swing. So I'm going to take this as a loss. It's not a loss, it's actually a win, because it's a new data point. It's confirmation of what I said. My rule is I need a spike. This didn't spike down, it just swept. So that's yeah, follow the rules. Spike down, that sweeps. I want a swing to form, and I want it to continue for me. That's what I'm taking as a long. Stop loss goes there, a little bit below. I'm taking it to 2.5. There, trade filled. Let's have the 4-hour close. That's horny. Price wanted to move. That's why I always take, sometimes you take a trade which gets stopped, but then that's the candle that stops you out on the first trade is the entry for your second trade. So you shouldn't be afraid to just, that loss shouldn't mean anything to you. And that's why you backtest, because that tells you, that gives you the confidence in order to trade like this in a live environment when actual money is at stake and emotions get involved. And yeah, look, this is a crazy candle in all honesty. So that's where we're gonna look for trades. Close through here again. Good direction was confirmed here. That's where we're going. Okay, so we rated the high of that big LGC. So we took the high, but we're trading within. So yeah, let's quickly have a look at the 4-hour, what this is. This is the old level. That's interesting to look at. Yeah, so let's just see what will happen. So it's a little spike down. It sweeps, forms a swing. No continuation. Okay. Let's see. Nope, I'm not taking it. Could be taking it, but I want to see something lower, especially in such a big candle. So again, took the high. So swept it. Inside bar. Barely, we didn't fill the level yet. Yeah, filled the level but filled the level but failed to close through. But it has been filled. So let's do a little zoom out. That also that's the swing that we were trading within. And we just closed through the last level in the swing, which now tells us we are going to go here, but now we have to start looking at ranges or at like previous swings, which is here, there's a level, and there's the level. And then this is the all-time high. Well, is that the all-time high? Yeah. Is that 2000? Yeah, no. That's 24. That's not the all-time high. Oh, this chart doesn't go back all the way. But maybe it is actually. At least it's an important level. So there we get the close through. That's what we wanted. So now this becomes the new level that we just wait and observe in and look for trades to the upside. As you can see, the market is hot and excited, and it just loves to move. And so and that's the thing, sometimes as a systemic trader in these hot markets, I think it's good if you have how can I say this? If you have a long-term, either like swing trading strategy, or like maybe a better word is like an investment strategy. And also a systemic trading that you do on a daily basis, which is more kind of like your job. Because in markets like this, it just moves. And yeah, you can feel sidelined at times. That's why I think it's important to be positioned in the market besides what we're doing here. Okay, close through the level that was above the previous swing. So now I'm looking for a level here to trade there. Nice spike down. That sweeps. That's a nice sweep. Forms the swing. Strong reaction. That's our entry. Yeah, that's our entry. Give it a little bit of room. Now, let's zoom out a little bit here. I'm going to take it to 1. Okay, so it's just the 1 hour, but it's something. It's one more than we had before this trade. Let's see, did we close through? We did. We actually did. So now this becomes the new level. What is above us? Let's have a look. The only thing that's still above us is, I'm not sure, I want to be correct. I don't think that's all-time high, to be honest. I think we had a higher all-time high in 2020 or 21. But for now, we'll take this as the all-time high and trade within here. Nice spike down. Sweep. Swing formed. No continuation. And we want to go lower. Let's see. So that, oh no, wait a second, this indicator is a bit slow. So the 4-hour closed, we respected the low. Inside bar. Again. Okay, still got rejected at the EQ. Okay, so bodies are becoming bigger to the upside, but we haven't made a new high yet. Okay, and did we lose LGC here? Nope. But looks like we're going to break down. Let's see. And there we lost it. So we lost this LGC. So we're going here. And I still want to keep looking for a long within this area. The lower the better. This is actually a beautiful spike that sweeps, forms a swing. No LGC. Okay. So this was the entry. I'm going to see if I can get another entry here. Going to 2.5, but only if price comes back here, which I doubt. But let's see. Okay. That's our entry. There we go. Filled. Okay, what happened here? I got an entry, but I was a bit hesitant. However, this is beautiful, especially when I see this kind of sweep that goes all the way back here and it gets eaten up back, respecting this low completely. I mean, that's just what you want. Then you get a strong reaction to the upside. And then my rule is I want to see an LGC close above here, which technically, what is this high? 8984, this close. 9886, so that's 0.02 higher. I know I said the first thing incorrect, but okay, that means I should have followed my fucking rules. Still my biggest downfall. I don't completely follow the rules. And that's what I'm struggling with most. I realize the more I trade, the more gut instinct I get about what I want to see, but that's not sustainable. So on a performance level, we're doing well. Like a financial level, but I want to do better when it comes to following my rules. So let's see, what did the 4 hour do? We have now closed above that all-time high. So I'm marking that level, and I'm going to look if we get another entry. Now, I'd love to see it at the EQ there. Beautiful spike down. Spike down. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna reset this so I can go to the 4 hour without it revealing what's gonna happen. Okay, so this area is still, yeah, that's still the area where the most liquidity is. So we have a nice spike down that sweeps, forms a swing. Want to see continuation? Okay. That's my entry. Okay, I'm gonna adjust it to 2.5 in a bit. Let's switch to the 4 hour. And then 2.5. Okay, wait. I'm going way too quick. LGC there. Okay. That doesn't look too good. We're probably going to go here. We still have this trade open. Let's just see. Okay, beautiful. This trade got filled. Just some aggregation at that level. I think this is around current price. This is where you look for a trade. Oh, it has to be at the low. And that's current price. So let's do a quick roundup of what I want to see at this level. So this was the last. This one actually. So we got an LGCR here just now. Okay, so either I want to see continuation or would love to see a trade happen somewhere there. And that would be beautiful, or at the low actually. But it has to spike into this untapped liquidity. So that's what I'm waiting for now, but it could also just continue in all honesty. I mean, this is also still relevant. Has been completely aggregated. I mean, rebalanced, but for now, This is what I'm aiming for. Let's see, where do we start today? I think we... Yeah, where did we start today? Here, because I was failing to short, even though my rules were saying I should be shorting. All right, so first trade that I got was a -1. Plus 2.5 is 1.5 profit. Plus 1, it's 3 and that's 2.5. Plus 2.5 is 5. Plus 1.84. Wait, was there a reason I didn't adjust this? Because this was one. Yeah, I said I would still be adjusting this to 2.5. So there, and it got filled there. What was I saying? Fuck. 1.5, 3.5, 1.5, 2.5, 5, 12.5. Wow, 7.5. Well, good morning. Okay, so it's plus 7.5. If you trade 1% risk, that's 7.5% in how long? In 11 days. So that's not a bad week. All right. I think I'm going to keep it here. Thanks for watching, and maybe in the next video I'll do how I collect this data in a spreadsheet and what I look for, and yeah, peace out.